Recently, I watched about 12 of the Vogue 7 Days, 7 Outfit videos, and I got very inspired, but then I watched all of these really chic outfits and realized that's very unrealistic for my life. And then I realized that I wanted to make one about 7 days, 7 outfits of my life and what I would wear. So I'm gonna walk you through 7 different realistic things I would do in a week and what I would wear, and I am going to elevate it, but I'm going to make them comfy. So that is why I'm really excited to work with Vivaia on this, because they are pros at really comfortable shoes. So I will be showcasing you 3 different types of shoes. That's going to be the Square Toe Mary Jane heels, Melody Pro, the Margot Mary Janes, which I'm a little obsessed with, and because I need a little bit more pop of color in my life, I put them in red and I am obsessed with them, and the Regina Square Toe boots. I love all of these. The things that I really love about these shoes is that they are super comfortable. So you would look at this and think, oh yeah, maybe. No. Let me tell you, these things are amazing. So they come with these built-in padding. So when you're walking, it kind of feels like you just have built-in insoles. And they're so great for that. You feel like you can walk in these all day. One time, I love that these are all water repellent. I love that a lot of these are washable. These are currently my favorite because they're flexible, they're comfortable. If you have wider feet, you'll fit it. A lot of their shoes can be thrown into the washing machine. And then the most important thing about why I think this brand is actually amazing is the fact that they make all of their shoes with recycled material. So I wear these all the time and I get compliments on this heel shape. It's super unique, but it's also just really comfortable and it's water repellent. I'm really excited to show you my 7 realistic outfits that I would wear every day this week and what they are for. So let's dive into it. So this is my go out for coffee look. I have followed the pattern of going for cropped, but just to elevate the outfit a little bit, instead of it being flats or tennis shoes, I decided to go with a slight heel. So the nude heel, the thing I like about nude heels, is that if it matches your skin tone, it can elongate you a little bit. And I am a short gal. Pants, hence the cropped sweater. This is my go-to, throw it on, and if you decide to look cute or to look bummy, you follow the dress code. You are not overdressed, you're not underdressed, you are comfortable. The shoes are comfortable, the jeans are comfortable, the top is comfortable, well, the jeans are comfortable-ish. So this is my go-to, go coffee instead of a bar kind of outfit. All right, next outfit. Okay, so this is a errands running outfit. So really at its core, it is just a pair of sweatpants and a bodysuit. By throwing on a bolder coat and wearing an elevated shoe. I wear this when I go grocery shopping. I wear this anytime I go anywhere and run any errands without my dog, so I'm not worried about paw prints everywhere. But I just went with something really comfortable, makes me look like I put way more thought into my outfit than just putting things on. It is one of my favorite things to wear nowadays, and actually this is eerily close to what I wore to Christmas at my partner's family. So this is my running errands but make it chic outfit. Okay, this is my very casual dog walker, dog park kind of outfit. So you just got a pair of jeans, you got a very comfortable but very warm turtleneck under, and then you got a jacket. This is a very easy throw on kind of outfit. Very realistic outfit for me. A pair of shoes that make me feel cute that I could throw in the wash, a pair of jeans that I'm okay with getting dirty, and a jacket that I'm okay with cleaning off or rinsing off. So this is my go-to dog park outfit. All right, next outfit. Okay, this is my go-to thrifting outfit nowadays. Just a really simple black outfit with a pop of color. So I've been loving the fact that we have gone from this all black everything to including some color and some personality in your outfit. I think that these shoes are perfect for adding a touch of interest, a touch of intrigue, a touch of interesting personality. I think that this is a perfect thrifting outfit, especially if you're gonna go out and take some photos for the gram, because it's also very Audrey Hepburn. It's also very timeless. It's in my opinion, one of my favorite outfits nowadays. All right, next one. This is my business meeting kind of outfit. So I went with a tweed skirt with a very vintage in style, which kind of matches my ethos of sustainability, a very comfortable turtleneck, and my Mary Jane heels. So love these, I feel super comfortable. The thing is that you wanna wear something that's gonna make you feel good all day. So sometimes wearing things like really structured, like white blouses, or wearing really stiff wool is not really gonna fit your actual day-to-day life. So I chose something that I'm okay with getting a little dirty, a little wrinkly, a little messy. I went with the turtleneck, I went with a really conservative top because I'm showing a lot of leg, because I have a lot of leg, and it doesn't help that I have a lot of leg and I'm wearing nude shoes that make my legs look longer. But this is my day in the office business meeting outfit, and I am a little obsessed with this outfit. This is an outfit that I would wear not at home. So I am wearing my go out to dinner kind of outfit. Something that I love doing is dressing up to go to a not super fancy dinner, but also bringing my best. I went with a pair of booties, so they're square toe booties. I saw them originally in this ad where it's like, you can't run in boots. Girl, you could run in these. They are padded, they are comfortable. So I went with something that's going to scream, I am here and I am very comfortable with everyone looking at me, but also I'm comfortable with it because I'm very comfortable in my clothing. My boots are going to be under my pants, and you might be asking why. It's also to elongate. It's to make you look a little bit taller. A lot of the clothing choices I make are to add height to me, and this is a pure example of it. So this is what I would wear to go out to dinner in my most comfortable boots. All right, next outfit. This is my go-to date night kind of outfit. So it's a very truly easy outfit. It's something you can just throw on and feel comfortable, but it's also very girly and feminine, which I don't really believe in dressing for anyone but yourself. I don't really believe in dressing up for any man, but I will occasionally dress up for my man. So this is my go-to outfit on date night. So I like it, especially from the aspect that it can be conservative, it could be kind of sexy, and I love wearing it with a very tailored jacket to kind of make it look a little bit more structured, and wearing a square toe boot with some sharp edges. So the sharp edges, I would say, of this shoe is going to make your look just look a little bit more formal, just look a little bit more put together. And sometimes date night, when you've been with someone long enough, turns into, oh, we should probably also pick up dog food on the way home. So you have to run some errands, so you also have to make sure you're comfortable, and that is what these are perfect for. Just be able to walk around and move around. So this is my date night look for a day where I just want to feel feminine and cute and pretty, but also feel very comfortable and at ease.